All right, good morning, guys. Come with me as I head to North Carolina. I've never taken a bus before, but I had my friend has a wedding, and I'm getting on the metro right now at my house. And I'm going to a bus station and taking a bus all the way down to North Carolina and getting back. Literally in 24 hours from now, I'll be here at the station. My bus leaves at 1 a.m. So let's go to a wedding, and here comes the metro. All right, guys, we just stopped in this random place. So I just went to that Starbucks to change into my suit because we added like 30 minutes onto the time. So getting back on the bus, but an hour more to go.